Hey everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change Facebook page name. So let's get started. Begin by launching your Facebook application. Make sure you're logging to your Facebook page. Then tap on your profile icon at the top right corner of your screen. Now tap on the gear icon. Select the search icon, and then in the search bar, type in page setup and perform a search. Tap on page setup option. There you can find name option. Tap on the view button which is right beside name option. And then enter new name. If you change your name on Facebook, you won't be able to change it again for 60 days. And if you are sure, tap on review change option. To save these settings, enter your Facebook password. Once you are done, tap on Save Changes button. And this is how you can change Facebook page name. Thanks for watching Online Help Guide. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.